Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you. The chair, the floor, the earth, holding you completely. And you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, constant rhythm of your breath, not trying to change it, just noticing it. In and out, the rise of your chest, the gentle swell of your belly, the subtle coolness of air entering, the soft warmth as it leaves. With each exhale, you can let go just a little more, releasing the weight of the day, the tension of doing, and sinking deeper into the peace of simply being. Oh, and it's okay. Whatever you're feeling right now, perhaps there's a quiet heaviness, a memory of an old ache, or maybe just a readiness for something new to begin, and wherever you are is exactly where you need to be to start this journey. I invite you to simply acknowledge that without judgment, like noticing the weather outside a window. Oh. There is a part of you that has carried so much, and that part can finally rest. And you might begin to notice how your body knows how to relax, all on its own. Perhaps a softening around your eyes, a letting go in your jaw, your shoulders descending just a fraction, as if they're being gently pulled toward the center of the earth. I'm going to guide you now into a deeper state of relaxation, a state where your conscious mind can rest and your powerful subconscious, the part of you that holds your memories and your capacity for profound change, can listen and receive. Imagine your awareness is like a soft, gentle light, and we're going to slowly dial down its intensity from a bright, focused beam to a warm, diffuse glow. With your next exhale, let that light soften by 10%, and with the next, another 10%, until your awareness is just a soft golden haze, bathing your inner world in a peaceful, receptive light. And in this soft, receptive space, we begin. I am safe in this present moment, right here, right now. I am held and I am secure. The past is a story, and in this moment, I am the author of my now. I release the need to replay what was, and I anchor myself firmly in the peace of what is. This breath is proof of my safety. This heartbeat is the rhythm of my resilience. My body is my ally in healing. Every cell, every nerve, every breath is participating in my release. I thank my body for its strength, for carrying me through every experience. And now, I give it permission to let go of what it no longer needs to carry. With this breath, I send away. I allow old emotions to surface, not to drown in them, but to acknowledge them and let them pass through me like clouds in a vast open sky. A cloud of sadness may appear, and I watch it. I feel its texture, and I let the wind of my compassion gently blow it across the horizon of my awareness until it dissolves. A cloud of anger may form, and I observe its heat, its energy, and I let it transform into a fierce and protective love for myself. I am not the storm. I am the sky, vast, calm, and capable of holding all weather without being damaged by it. I forgive others not because what they did was okay, but because my heart is too precious a place to store poison, like release them from my emotional custody. I set down the heavy burden of their actions, and I feel my shoulders lighten, my spine straighten, as a weight I've carried for years simply evaporates. Forgiveness is a gift I give to myself, and as I offer it, I feel a chain around my heart snap. And even deeper than that, I forgive myself. I forgive myself for the ways I thought I should have known better, for the times I stayed when I should have left, or left when I should have stayed. I forgive myself for the harsh words I spoke to my own reflection. I forgive the younger versions of me who were just doing their best with the tools they had. My past does not define my future. How? It is simply the soil from which I now grow. And from this soil, rich with both joy and pain, I choose to grow flowers of wisdom, resilience, and profound peace. I am not broken by what happened. I am being sculpted by it, and the masterpiece is becoming more beautiful with every release. I release the story of my wounds. I let go of the identity of being the one who was hurt. I am not my trauma. I am the healing that is happening now. With every heartbeat, I am rewriting my narrative from the inside out. The chapter of pain is closing, and the next chapter, a chapter of gentle power and deep serenity, is beginning now. How I welcome peace as my natural state. It is not something I have to chase or earn. It is the quiet hum of my soul, always here beneath the noise. How I tune my awareness to that frequency now. The frequency of deep, abiding peace. And I notice how it feels in my body, a softening in my chest, a calm, steady warmth in my belly, a lightness in my mind. Its feeling is my anchor. How I press my thumb and forefinger together gently, and as I do, I amp. My heart is an organ of incredible strength and capacity. It knows how to break, and it knows even more powerfully how to mend. I visualize my heart now, surrounded by a brilliant emerald green light, the light of healing and unconditional love. My heart is open and it is protected by the wisdom of my experiences. I release the need to control the healing process. I surrender it to a wisdom greater than my own, the innate intelligence of my body and spirit. I simply set the intention, and then I let go, trusting that the how and the when are being handled perfectly. My only job is to allow to breathe and to notice the subtle shifts as they occur, and I can feel a shift happening now. A deep cellular sigh of relief. I am connected to a source of endless love and support. Whether I call it the universe, spirit, life force, or my own highest self, I feel its presence now. It flows into the crown of my head, a golden, liquid light of pure acceptance. It fills my mind, soothing old thought patterns. It flows down my neck, releasing stored tension. It fills my heart, expanding it with a love so vast it has room for every part of my journey. It flows down through my torso, my legs, my feet, and roots. My emotions are valuable messengers, not permanent residents. I listen to what they have to tell me. I thank them for their message, and then I lovingly show them the door. I have the calm, compassionate master of my inner house. No emotion can overstay its welcome unless I permit it. And today, I am giving notice to all emotions that no longer serve my peace. Oh, you have been heard. Your message is received, and now you are free to go. Must I I feel a great emptying, a cleansing, a purification of my emotional body. With every exhale, I release a layer of the past. With every inhale, I welcome a new quality of peace. This breath is my transformation engine, powered by my own intention. I now integrate this healing at a subconscious level. My mind and body are aligning with these new truths. Old neural pathways of pain and reaction are softening, dissolving, making way. I am grateful for my capacity to heal. I am in awe of this human body, this human spirit that can go through darkness and choose to walk back toward the light. My gratitude itself is a healing force, amplifying every positive change happening within me now. Te de salt on God's die. If ik keer de vrucht dust you chatu shung spoord, it would come bike, ye fought so forward, good tone so short. In day to sold bore. Capacity with the sold big sace, eat 7 health. Sutta, Baitil. I feel the support beneath me once more. I hear the subtle sounds around me. I feel the air on my skin, and I know that a profound shift has occurred. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.